Hi, my name is Jonas and today I show you the anchor point for Hailstorm. The anchor point for Hailstorm is designed to make mounting and removing your Hailstorm luggage systems as simple and clean as possible. It replaces the rear strap mounting with a fixed anchor solution, allowing the Hailstorm to be mounted at the rear of your motorcycle without straps on bikes where no straps can be attached on the rear, while the front attachment is still secured using the Hailstorm straps as usual. Once installed, the Hailstorm can be mounted and removed at the rear in seconds, securely, reliably and with a clean setup on the bike. Thanks to its minimalist and compact design, the anchor point remains discreet on the motorcycle and does not interfere with riding or other luggage setups when the bag is not mounted. It provides a practical solution for riders who want quick rear mounting with a tidy appearance on the motorcycle. The system consists of two parts: a mounting plate that is fixed to the Hailstorm bag and the anchor point itself, which is bolted to the rear of the motorcycle. You bolt it on a rear fender or plastic or a luggage rack. All screws and nuts required for installation are included. For mounting, place the Hailstorm system on the bike. Position and tighten the lower straps. Trace the 4 holes with a Sharpie. Remove the system and put the metal sheet on the markings. The opening has to point forward. Insert the anchor point and mark the position on the fender or rack. Check on your bike the marked position and that you can mount the nut on the lower side before you drill. On some bikes you have to remove the plastics for checking and drilling. Make the hole and attach the anchor point with the bolt and nut. Tear away the middle section of the padding in the back of your Hailstorm system. The flathead bolts come in from the top. Then screw the metal sheet to the lower side. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, your local Enduristan dealer will be happy to help, or feel free to contact us directly.